Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2000 ECE paper and the topic is related to microprocessor. The contents of register B and register A, that is accumulator. The contents of register B and accumulator A of 8085 microprocessor are 49 and 3AH respectively. The contents of accumulator and the status of carry flag and sign flag after executing sub B instruction. So the given values are nothing but contents of A is given as 3AH and contents of B is nothing but 49H, 49 hexadecimal. So the instruction to be executed is nothing but sub B. The meaning of sub B is nothing but subtract the contents of B from accumulator and the result is going to be stored in the accumulator and the flag register is going to be affected by this one. Okay, so the result is nothing but accumulator is going to be loaded with the result of subtraction of B from A. So B will be subtracted from A and the result is going to be loaded into accumulator and the flags will be affected. So what are the flags will be affected, that we will see after subtraction. So now we have to subtract B contents from A contents. So A minus B we are going with. So that implies nothing but A is 3A and B is nothing but 49. So A is nothing but 10 and this is 9. 10 minus 9 is nothing but 1. Okay, and next 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 you cannot do this one, so that it requires a borrow. Borrow requires is nothing but we require a borrow from the higher bit side towards lower bit side. So since it is hexadecimal, what you are getting is nothing but 16. 16 plus 3 is nothing but 19. Okay, 19 minus 4 is 15. 15 is nothing but F. So F1 is going to be the result that will be loaded into accumulator. That will be loaded into accumulator. So accumulator content is nothing but F1. Okay, and from this one directly you can say the answer is going to be A by looking at the contents of accumulator. A is equal to F1. Now what happens to the sign flag and carry flag? Since it has required a carry, that is borrow, it requires a borrow. So it requires a borrow. This is what called as borrow. That implies nothing but carry flag will be set. Since A is lesser than B, so that definitely it requires a borrow. That implies nothing but carry flag will set. So carry flag content is nothing but CY is equal to 1. Next, sign bit. Sign bit is nothing but MSB value of the accumulator content. So accumulator content is F1. So F1 is nothing but 11110001. This is what accumulator content. In this one, MSB value is nothing but MSB is equal to 1. That implies nothing but it will be considered as negative number. So sign flag will be set. So sign flag is 1 and carry flag is 1. Okay, and accumulator content is F1. So the right option for this question is A. Thank you.